Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am bringing you my very first review video for Madam Glam. Yay! I am so excited. So welcome to my very first of what I hope to be many review videos for Madam Glam. What I have here for you to review the first time are Madam Glam's new Gelementary polishes. Okay, so this is what they call their new hybrid polishes, because they require a base coat and a top coat for their colors, and so they are like a gel-like type of polish that will promise to last up to 10 days on natural nails. Okay, and of course I now have my new discount code for them, which is 30 NAQ57. That's a code that you may apply at checkout for a 30% discount when you purchase these from Madam Glam. I will also have that scrolling at the bottom of the screen and down in the description bar below, so you don't forget that. So just to tell you a little bit about these are their brand new a brand new collection that they have. Most of the colors, if you look at them right now, they are limited to 18 different colors, and they're very pretty colors, a good assortment of colors that will take you into the spring and summer. Okay, so I have 3 of their 18 colors that I'm going to test out and swatch for you, as well as the base coat and the top coat. And yes, as you can see already, I already put these on my Cindy hand. I really love how they went on. I did this last night, couldn't wait, and this is the hand where I'm going to do the test on keeping them for and see how they go. Okay, and hopefully I can come in here. I will be definitely on Instagram giving you updates on how well they wear. So, and on this hand I will do the swatches for you, but yeah, there's no way I will be keeping these colors on both hands for 10 days, since as a nail artist I will be doing other designs on my left hand. But so let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the colors. So this yellow one right here, this is called Prom Queen, and this yellow is it's a warm yellow, because it's not super bright. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It looks different. It almost looks like a green base tone to it, and all these polishes are creams. Okay, they are cream. The green one, this is a very bright green. The name of it is Dexter Slab. There is another green in there as well, but this one is Dexter Slab. Very bright, very nice formula there in the cream. And the blue one, the dark blue, is called Junior High. So you can see here, obviously another cream. The brushes, you can see, so they have a flat base, so it's a flat bottom on the brushes. Hopefully there you can tell. And there's a good size to them, a good length, and very soft. Here's the base. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but if I have it put them here against the white background, from looking at the base on the bottle, it looks very clear. It's a very clear formula. Whereas the top coat, you can tell them apart, because it has, I don't know, somewhat of a yellowish tint to it, since it's a top coat to protect your polish. So yeah, you can tell them apart. You can definitely tell which one is the base and which one is the top coat. So now I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you on my hand, right on my bare nails. So what you're looking at here are my nails completely bare after having removed the nail polish, and they are dehydrated from the acetone. And on my middle nail here, I have a gel top coat protecting my itty bitty tip extension that I've done there with gel. So, and that's the one that I'm going to try the yellow, but I'm going to do the yellow in there, but I will also try the yellow on my index finger to try it over their base, because I don't want you to be deceived by the gel base coat that I have on this fingernail. So I will do my fingers, and I will also do my thumb. So let's get started. Okay, so I am starting here with the base for all these colors. And again, you will want to start this on totally bare, clean nails. No lotion and no oils. So this is right after having removed my previous mani with pure 100% pure acetone. And I'm going to skip my middle finger. Let's do my thumb. Okay, now I'm going to give this some time to dry, and then we'll start with the colors. Okay, now that we gave that base, a clear base, a couple of minutes to dry, I'm going to go and start with this is Junior High, which is the blue one. And I am going to keep this video real time so you can see. And I cannot talk and paint at the same time to keep my good pulse. Okay, so I do like how well it applies. I did notice when I did these last night, they went opaque on 2 coats. Okay, so I got that solid color. It didn't need more than 2 coats. Actually, so only the yellow, I will say it was the only one that I applied 3 coats to see how it goes on today. But yeah, they went opaque in 2 coats, and I was very happy. No streaking or anything. It blends itself really, really nice. Okay, so let's do the blue. Now I'm gonna keep my index for the yellow. So let's pull the green one next. This one again is Dexter's Lab. If you guys remember that show, my daughter used to watch that. Okay. I'm really liking this formula, guys. Very, very nice. They really they feel, you can kind of tell that in between gel and regular polish type of texture when you are applying it. They go on so nicely. And no need for a lamp. Okay, now let's try the yellow. And again, this one is Prom Queen. It's a very pretty pastel yellow. Okay. Make sure that you cover your free edge when you do your manis for long lasting. So there you see all 3 colors. I'm going to do the blue one on my thumb also. There you saw how these went on the first coat. Let's do my thumb and do the blue. Okay, now I'm going to let this, I always like, anytime I do a second coat, I wait at least half a minute in between coats. Okay, so I went ahead and added the yellow to my middle finger to keep it for later, but now let's go on with the second coat. And guys, I also want to share with you, oh, that went on so nice. Very, very nice. So nice and smooth. I will have a little bit of a cleanup here when I finish these. But I went ahead, I did a boo-boo on this nail last night, which I fixed this morning. And when I removed this with acetone, it was a complete clean swipe. Okay, when I went in with acetone, 100% acetone, and pulled it out, it was a complete clean swipe. And what I mean by that, none of that color went on my skin, kind of like how you will sometimes see these dark colors like blues and reds. They kind of, especially with acetone, that they seem to like stick to your dry skin. And yeah, so I was very happy to see that when it came to removal. And also I want you to notice, I don't know if you can quite tell, so of course this that I just applied is still wet, but they somewhat, you can tell they're dry. They dry pretty fast. They go on somewhat, not completely matte, but more of a satin finish, and of course that's prior to applying the top coat, which is what will give you ideal shine. So let's go for our second coat on this green one. This green one is so pretty. I really like this. This green is very pretty, very bright. Very soft and smooth formula. Love it, love it. Okay, let's go here with the second coat. Oops, have my brush loaded. This is a yellow. And I think if I can get away with only the 2 coats for the yellow, the better. I think I did way better with my application there using my right hand versus the other way when I was using my left hand applying it on my Cindy hand. But yeah, and let's try it here on my middle finger. Again, here to start with I had a gel base, so I wanted you to see on my index finger how it went over how it goes over its original base as it is intended to. I have to do some cleanup there. Let's try the blue one on my thumb. There, I did that one much better. Good coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up around my cuticles while these are drying, and then come back for the top coat application. Okay guys, so just a couple of minutes later, I wanted to show you these are very pretty dry to the touch. I feel no tackiness whatsoever, and just feeling like that slightly. And I want you to see the difference. So this is its natural shine, still without the top coat, and you can see the difference here on the hand on the top where I do have the top coat. Hopefully you can see the difference there. So yeah, they have a pretty good shine after you apply the second coat, better than the first coat, but obviously we still need that top coat for protection and ultimate shine. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat. guys, so now that I have hydrated my skin with some cuticle oil, now that my top coat has dried, again, very fast drying after a couple of minutes, on my right hand last night I want to share with you, within 20 minutes of me having application of top coat on this hand, I was drying up with the towel and I had no smudges whatsoever. Okay, that was 20 minutes. I mean, I had completed my manicure, left it drying for about 5 minutes. I was in the shower, came out, started drying with the towel, and nothing. Okay, it's not an hour later, and this was solid dry. And so yeah, I am really loving these. Now looky here, guys. Yes, I already had and changed my colors because I am getting ready to do some nail art on this, some stamping, so stay tuned for that photo at the end. I will leave you with a little treat on a nail art design that I did with these. I figure I'll keep these for the weekend. Again, stay tuned for the updates on these. I think let me know what you think. I will have updates on my Instagram if you want me to come back here on YouTube and let you know. Depending on the number of responses that I get, I'll decide whether or not to do a video on that as well, but I'll definitely do it on Instagram. If you're not currently following me on Instagram, it's NAQ57, the same as my YouTube, so easy to find. And I will totally recommend these. I will suggest go online and check out the other pretty colors that they have. I did not choose these colors. They went ahead, these are the colors that they chose on their own to send me, and I think they go really well together. And again, check out the way to stay tuned for the photo that I'm going to leave you at the end. So I'd like to thank Madam Glam for sending me these polishes to play with and review. I am looking forward to doing some more. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this video. Leave me some comments, questions, anything that you may have below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.